The AI revolution is no longer coming. It's already here. In 2026, AI tools are helping people work faster, think smarter, and create better than ever before. Today, I'll show you the top 7 AI tools you can start using right now. And trust me, number 4 will completely change how you work. Let's begin. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Advanced AI. This AI is more than just a chatbot. It can write content, solve problems, plan businesses, analyze data, and even help you learn new skills. Millions of creators and professionals already use it daily to save time and increase productivity. Tool number 2, Midjourney AI. Midjourney allows you to create stunning, high-quality images using simple text prompts. Designers, YouTubers, and marketers use it to generate thumbnails, ads, and digital art in seconds. In 2026, visual creativity is being powered by AI like never before. Tool number 3, Runway AI. Runway is a powerful AI video tool. It can remove backgrounds, generate video scenes, add effects, and even create videos from text. Content creators now produce professional-level videos without expensive equipment or teams. Tool number 4, AutoGPT and AI agents. This is where things get crazy. AI agents can plan tasks, make decisions, and execute actions on their own. From managing businesses to researching markets, AutoGPT works like a digital employee that never sleeps. This is one of the biggest AI breakthroughs of this decade. Tool number 5, 11 Labs AI Voice. This tool creates ultra-realistic human voices using AI. YouTubers, podcasters, and game developers use it to generate professional voiceovers instantly. Faceless content creation has never been easier or more realistic. Tool number 6, Notion AI. Notion AI helps organize your life and work. It writes notes, summarizes documents, creates task lists, and manages projects automatically. For students, freelancers, and businesses, this AI is a productivity powerhouse. Tool number 7, Perplexity AI. Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine. Unlike traditional search, it gives direct, accurate answers with sources. It's perfect for research, learning, and fact-checking in seconds. These 7 AI tools are already transforming how people work, create, and live. And this is just the beginning. Which AI tool impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead in the world of AI and future technology, subscribe to Visionary Future. The future starts now.